What if I told you there are animals worth more than you? Our dream car, your house, even a private island? Today, we're diving into the wild world of millionaire animals, yes, real creatures that people have paid up to $70 million for. Buckle up, because this is going to be an animal adventure with a price tag. 1. The racehorse that was worth more than a jet. Meet Fusaichi Pegasus, a racehorse so fast and fabulous, he galloped his way into history. In 2000, he won the Kentucky Derby and was later sold for a jaw-dropping $70 million. Why the big bucks? 2 words, genetics and breeding. In the world of horse racing, owning a champion isn't just bragging rights, it's a business. A single stud fee from a top racehorse can bring in hundreds of thousands of dollars. So yeah, he's basically the Beyoncé of horses. 2. The $1 million moo. Think cows are just barnyard background noise? Think again. Say hello to Missy, a Holstein cow who sold for $1.2 million. She wasn't just any cow, Missy was a genetic goldmine, producing award-winning calves and milk with astonishing quality. In the dairy world, cows like Missy are the equivalent of having a rare Picasso in your pasture. 3. The $1.5 million fluffy giant. Would you pay $1.5 million for a dog? Somebody did. Meet the Tibetan Mastiff, a dog breed so rare and revered in parts of China, it's seen as a status symbol. In 2011, a red-haired Mastiff named Big Splash sold for $1.5 million. With their lion-like manes and ancient lineage, they are more than pets, they are living luxury items. 4. The sheep that's worth a fortune. It's BAARMY but true. Elite rams and show-quality sheep have fetched up to, and even beyond, $1 million. We're talking about breeds like the Valar Blacknose or genetically perfect Texel rams. Why so pricey? It's all about their breeding potential, rare traits, and show-ring stardom. These aren't your average fluffy lawn mowers. 5. The fish that costs more than a Ferrari. This is S-Legend, a koi fish that sold for $1.8 million in Japan. Koi collectors are serious. A champion koi has perfect colors, symmetry, and grace. They are judged like underwater beauty queens. Some live for decades, and the most stunning ones become legends, literally. So next time you see koi in a pond, just know, you might be looking at $1 million masterpiece. 6. The dark side, illegal $1 million animals. Not all $1 million animals come with applause. Some pay the price with their lives. Elephants, for example, are targeted for their ivory tusks, which are illegally sold for enormous profits, sometimes over $1 million worth per animal. But here's the truth, no animal part is worth more than the animal itself. Luckily, conservation efforts are growing, and people around the world are stepping up to protect these majestic creatures. So, why are animals worth so much? From elite genetics to cultural symbolism, these animals represent the intersection of nature, nurture, and incredible value. They're investments, showpieces, and symbols of prestige, but they also remind us how deeply humans connect to animals, whether it's for sport, business, or love. So next time you look at your pet goldfish, just remember, it might be one perfect color pattern away from being a millionaire. If you enjoyed this wild ride through the world of millionaire animals, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating facts every week. Which one surprised you the most? Comment below. Subscribe to Fact Creature for more.